Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to add music in Canva. First, open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in www.canva.com. Now here you can add music on any of the template. Here I am going to show you with an example of how to add music on a presentation. So click on the presentation template. Now it will lead you to a new tab. Here on the left side you can see different options. Click on uploads. Now here click on audio and here you have upload files button. Click on it. Now here choose the music you want to add. Now click on open. After upload is completed, simply drag this music into this blank presentation. After that, here you can see that music has been added. Now you can click on this three dot and here you can adjust the volume, or if you want to add any other audio effects you can do that. This is it for today's video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.